Hi, and welcome to the walkthrough video of the Zoho Trello extension for Zoho CRM. This powerful integration enables seamless synchronization between your Zoho CRM and Trello. With this extension, you can effortlessly manage your boards, cards, and tasks across both platforms. In this video, we'll guide you through the configuration, mapping, and sync process so you can get the most out of this integration. First, log into your Zoho CRM account and navigate to the Marketplace section from the top side menu. Search for the Trello extension for Zoho CRM. Here, you can start a free 10-day trial or purchase the extension on a monthly or yearly subscription by visiting the pricing section. Once ready, click Install and follow the on-screen instructions. After installation, go to the Modules section and search for Trello. Click on it. You'll now see a Connect button under both the Trello and Zoho CRM sections. Click the Connect button under the Zoho CRM section. Review the terms and conditions, then click Accept to grant access. Great! Your Zoho CRM is now connected to the Trello extension. Next, click Connect under the Trello section. If you don't have a Trello account or haven't created a workspace yet, click No and set one up first in Trello. Then sign in using your Trello credentials. Here you need to enter the access token and API token of your Trello account. To get the API key and token, browse the URL that was given in the description. Copy the personal key provided on that website and paste it into the API key field of the configuration settings. Then enter the redirect URL that was given in the description to the new allowed origin field. Then click on the token link on the given URL. Now a new token was generated. Copy the token and paste it into the access token field of the Zoho Trello configuration window. Now your Trello account is connected to the extension. Let's move to the settings section. Here, you configure how data syncs between Zoho CRM and Trello. Choose how your records will sync: Zoho CRM to Trello or Trello to Zoho CRM. Bidirectional sync, where updates are exchanged both ways. Select the direction that best fits your workflow. In this section, choose which Zoho CRM modules you want to sync with Trello. When selecting native modules, the extension syncs all supported modules except custom modules. You can filter modules using the All Categories tab. Supported modules include boards, cards, tasks. You can browse them under categories like project management and productivity. Set how often Trello records sync into Zoho CRM. The default sync interval is every 3 minutes, but you can change this to 1 minute or 10 minutes depending on your preference. Decide which platform's data should take priority during a conflict. Zoho CRM priority: CRM data overwrites Trello data. Trello priority: Trello becomes the primary data source. Choose the option best suited to your organization. Click Next to enter the field mapping section. Here, you configure how Zoho CRM fields map to Trello fields. Select the module you want to map: boards, cards, or tasks. You can enable or disable create, update, or delete options to control sync behavior. By default, create and update are turned on, ensuring new records or updates sync automatically in both systems. Mandatory fields required by Trello are marked automatically. You can also set additional fields as mandatory based on your business needs. Once done, save your mapping as a draft or reset to default auto mapping at any time. In advanced settings, configure how duplicates are detected. For example, selecting name or email as the duplicate check field triggers a warning when a record with the same information already exists. You can also choose how the system should handle sync errors. If you select Skip Record on Error, only problematic records are skipped while others continue to sync. Click Next to enter Historical Sync, which helps you bulk sync past records between Zoho CRM and Trello. Your available sync direction depends on what you selected earlier. If you selected Zoho Trello, only that direction will be available here. If you selected Bidirectional, both directions will be active. Toggle your preferred direction and choose the module to sync. By default, the All Records view shows all records from the selected module. You can also apply date range filters such as last 7 days, last 30 days, last 90 days, custom range. You can sync up to 500 records across modules. As you add modules, a widget on the right shows how many total records are selected. Once you reach the limit, additional modules cannot be added. Historical sync is a one-time process, so make sure your selection is final. After selecting modules and date range, click Sync to Queue Records. From the queue, you can choose Start Now, refresh the queue, or clear synced records. This page auto-refreshes every 3 minutes to keep your sync status updated. Next, let's look at the audit log, your detailed record of all sync activities. Each entry displays sync direction, success or failure status, module name, detailed record information. Use filters to find records quickly by module or sync direction. If some records fail to sync, simply use the resync option. For troubleshooting, JSON error messages help you identify exactly what went wrong. You can also export the entire audit log for reporting or compliance. On the Boards tab you can view all the sync Trello boards. Now, let's explore the dashboard, your central hub for monitoring sync performance. You'll see total records synced, successfully synced records, failed records. A bar graph visualizes sync trends over time, helping you identify issues at a glance. Use the date range filters to review specific periods. The Recent Record Syncs section displays your latest 5 syncs for quick review. If you need more detailed logs, click the Audit Log link for deeper insights. In the Reset tab, you can reauthorize Zoho CRM or Trello if you encounter issues. Click Reauthorize under Zoho CRM to reconnect Zoho CRM. Click Reauthorize under Trello to reconnect Trello or switch accounts. Click Reset to clear all configurations and synced activities. This completely resets the integration. If you need help with configuration or syncing, go to the Support tab. Here, you can send feedback or request assistance. Click Docs for detailed documentation and tutorial videos. And this is the complete walkthrough of our Trello integration for Zoho CRM. With easy configuration, real-time syncing, and powerful monitoring tools, this integration helps you manage your boards, cards, and tasks effortlessly across both platforms. We hope this video helps you take full advantage of this powerful tool. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support at zohopes@smackcoders.com. Thanks for watching.